description.
Oh, the ramen waiter's rain brings us joy and little pain, fighting over.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got like a really small one. This is Maruchan with their Midori no Tanuki 10 Soba. It's green, Midori. Yeah. So this one gets steeped, and this one takes a very small amount of water. We're talking 170, 180 milliliters of water, and that's what we're doing here on the big show. So we'll drop it in. I'm gonna drop it in. I'm gonna save that for the last bit of doings. I'm gonna do 3 minutes on the clock. This one, I don't have the correct size thing for it, so what I'm gonna have to do is just kind of stir it as I go. You're like, but wait, Ramen Raider dude guy. I'm like, yeah, I know, but it's what I'm doing here, so deal. But it'll be all right. And I have a tiny little bowl that I think will work swimmingly for this noodle thing deal here. Got 2 minutes of vigorous loosening of these noodles in hopes that I get it done right. It's like I could have saved the bowl and done it that way, the way you would normally do it if you were just gonna like crack it open and eat it, but I don't know, if I can like just cut up the bowl and do the scans and get that all done the night before, I am more than happy to do that. That's what I did yesterday. I got all my stuff done early, which is nice. I like to get stuff done nice and quick. I don't want to spend all night working on the image stuff and post stuff and getting all that ready. It worked out pretty well today and yesterday. I had to get the posts themselves ready this morning, but yeah, it worked out. 11:50. Alright. Noodles done. Maybe I'll be able to score some scallion tonight. Need to go out and get something, so we'll see. Yeah, so I was saying, I had the absolute worst beverage I think I may have ever had. It was a Welch's Grape Ghost energy drink. I don't know, man. It seemed like the drink itself was bad. Like, it wasn't that there was something wrong with it. It was just gross. This is the old thing I used to use to show off the condiment sachets and stuff. This one is even older. Wow. I don't usually need such things, but sometimes I do. This is a disc of tempura that will be showcased. It's crunchy, it's good. I mean, you can let it soak and not crunch it, but I prefer the crunch. Alright, here we go. Let's make this happen. This is the non-tiny version, actually, is something I had years ago. In fact, I want to say for my 2010 or 2011 list, I had Midori no Tanuki, the regular sized bowl, was on that list of varieties that I had of my top 10. Way back when my top 10 would have been kind of like my top 10 out of maybe, oh, I don't know, 100 something. Way back. You know what I'm saying. Well, let's give this a try. Can't really try it too much. I mean, this is this tiny, like a dim sum size serving. It does have that bonito kind of thing going on. A little sweet, very salty. It works. It's good. I used to be really transfixed by the whole concept of the tempura. Not so much these days. It's like, yeah, I've had plenty of tempura and buckwheat soba noodle. I've got a huge bowl. I'm gonna use this one actually. It's not a huge bowl, it's a tiny bowl. There we go. I knew it. I knew there was a wayward little piece of kamaboko right there. There's only one piece of it in the whole little mini bowl. We're going to add some scallion. And I just need to find a place for this to call home. I think that'll work. I kind of wish I would have removed some noodle, but I think I'm going to call it good on this one. There we are. Teeny tiny. Watch it spin. All right, well, hey, thanks for watching. If you want to try one of these kind of neat little Japanese varieties, go on over to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com, and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. The next one came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is JML, Jin Mai Long, Big Soup, Big Taste, seafood flavor. And he also included something saying that I should try it with a seafood flavor, so I was thinking he was probably meaning this one. This is Antarctic krill meat. Never had it. It's in a little tin, and it will be seen how it goes with seafood varieties. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Check out the show tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.